Welcome back, Frame Savers. This is the completely random stock portfolio. For those that are new to my channel, this is a portfolio put together of completely random stocks. I took all of the stocks off the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, and the small cap one, the Russell 2000. I took all the stocks off of those and randomly picked stocks out of it, and that's how we came up with this portfolio. Just to see how it performs. We threw $1,000 even in here, and so far, so good. All 10 positions are up, and some of them by quite a bit. 43.95% increase in like 2 weeks. This portfolio is only like 2 weeks old. We got 43.95% increase on NNBR. What the hell? We got 25.73% increase on RMAX, 17.83% on Red Rock Resorts, and 11% on HP or American Pain. Oh my God. Talk about some gains. This random stock portfolio is amazing so far. And I haven't even been paid any dividends yet. These are all dividend paying stocks. So this is all growth, but I've only earned 38 cents of dividends and haven't been paid any of that just yet. So yeah, as you can see, there's been no activity, just a $1,000 original investment, which was $100 into each of those 10 shares or 10 companies. That was it. Only activity. So our current value is $1,141.21. If we hop over here to this, you can see that that is a 14.12% gain in 2 weeks. We are up $141.21. Not too shabby. Random stock picks rock is what I'm getting out of this. Anyways, don't do this, guys. This is only for fun, and it's only an experiment, and it's only money that I can afford to lose. Anyways, no dividends have been paid. Still only the 38 cents have been earned. There's been zero buy activity since the original 1,000. There's been zero activity on the sells, of course. There's been no dividend changes because I haven't gotten paid any dividends. And as for yearly dividends, this really is never going to change unless I get enough dividends to reinvest and change the amount of shares I own. Because the average price I paid isn't going to change unless I actually buy more. And the number of shares isn't going to change unless I buy more. So with that, we're almost always going to be at this yield. Average yield of 2.06, a yield on cost of 2.42, which is what it's currently giving me, which would be $24.16 a year or $2.01 a month. So this really won't change until something in the portfolio actually changes, which it's not going to for a while. So yeah, that's the random stock portfolio, guys. It is blowing away all my other portfolios. None of my other portfolios are up by 14%. I can tell you that right now. So far, so good. By the way, I am also using this random stock portfolio for the challenge, for the Grow Your Dough challenge put out by Jeff Rose, which is Wealth Hacker, I believe is his channel. Jeff Rose, Wealth Hacker. He put out this challenge for Grow Your Dough. Start with $1,000 and see how much you can make in 1 year, investing it any way that you like. And I have chosen to use the random stock portfolio for that challenge. So we will see how this compares, the performance of this portfolio compares by the end of 2019, or in my case, December 21st of 2019, because that will be my 1 year. And we'll compare that to the investments from all the other participants in the Grow Your Dough challenge and see how close I come to beating them or how far away I am. So that should be fun just to compare. And that's all I got. That's the random stock portfolio, guys. We are rocking it. It is kicking ass. All right. Have a good one, guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.